Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with the great health. I am here with my new video, and in this video you'll see some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that look really nice and that look really amazing. And as you see, this one is a really beautiful type of color, and this is in a black color, really basic, simple, but it look really beautiful and has a really different shiny material. And as you see, this one is a tiger print, and this is also in a black and red combination that look really pretty and that look really nice. And as you see, this one is a really nice light pink color with some silver type of detailing that look really beautiful. This is a really unique color, a green color and a shiny material. It look pretty. And as you see, this one is a tiger print. It looked really nice and it looked really amazing. Some high heel incorporate a platform under the ball of the foot, reducing the incline and potentially increasing comfort. Insole may have cushioning or for added comfort during prolonged wear. Outsole are designed for attraction and stability. Considering the elevation of the heel, certain high heel are designed with the arch support to provide additional comfort and reduce strain on the feet. High heel often feature decorative elements like such as embellishments, bows, or stud, adding a touch of elegance or flair. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and fun color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you want to see the next. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.